to fix Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find Settings, click on Settings. In Settings, simply click on Search Engine on the left side and click on Change in here. You'll find different options. Make sure it's Google. Make sure the blue dot is in Google and press on Set as Default. After you've done that, at the bottom, click on Manage Search Engines, and in here, scroll down, and if you find it Yahoo more than one, you can simply click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots, you'll find this option and click on Delete. After you've deleted, on the left side, scroll down again and click on Reset Settings and go to Restore Settings to their original defaults. After you click on it, simply click on Reset Settings in here. After you do that, you're good to go. Also, click on About Chrome at the bottom left corner and make sure your Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. You can also click on three dots and go to Extensions. And if there are any extensions that are unnecessary, you can simply turn it off or remove it. And this is how to fix Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.